Are you looking for the best Ancheer treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best Ancheer treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Ancheer Treadmill TR112301. The Ancheer Treadmill TR112301 is a top-of-the-line running machine from the training equipment manufacturer. The treadmill has an LCD display, a smart shock-absorbing system, and Bluetooth. The machine comes with a smart app that tracks your workouts and has preset training programs. Number 2. Ancheer 5571B 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Ancheer 5571B 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is among the most popular underdesk treadmills. It is compact, quiet, loaded with features, and durable, everything you want from an underdesk running machine. Ancheer 5571B can be placed under a desk or used with the handrail raised like a regular treadmill. It has a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds. The treadmill has a 2.25 HP motor and uses a 7-layer 40x16 running belt, making it kinder on your knees and joints. This machine's speed ranges between 0.6 and 7.5 miles per hour. Furthermore, Ancheer 5571B comes with a Bluetooth-enabled wrist-mounted remote controller that looks like a smartwatch and can control the machine's speed or turn it on or off. You can pair the machine with an app that tracks your workouts. Number 3. Ancheer Treadmill with LCD Monitor. This Ancheer Treadmill model is basic, sturdy, and gets the job done. It comes with a 40 inches by 15 inches shock-absorbing double-layered running belt, giving you a comfortable space for walking and running. This machine has 2 transport wheels on the front end, making it easy to move around. This machine's 1.5 HP mute motor lets you use the machine at 0.5 to 6 miles per hour and can support users up to 220 pounds. The large LCD display of this treadmill makes it easy to get all the necessary information at a glance. Plus, you can adjust the screen orientation for optimal viewing angles. This model is equipped with heart rate monitors on the handlebars. Grip the handles to assess your heart rate on the fly. The machine is covered by a standard 12-month warranty and comes with elaborate setup instructions for easy assembly. Number 4. Ancheer AR70 Treadmill. The Ancheer AR70 treadmill is a well-rounded running machine from the training equipment manufacturer. It comes with Bluetooth audio speakers, a 3.0 HP motor that produces a top speed of 14 km per hour, and a 5-inch multifunction LCD console. The machine has a 300-pound weight capacity, making it suitable for most exercisers. Ancheer AR70 comes with silica gel shock absorbers in the running board to reduce tension on your lower body joints.